Hey guys, welcome back. No, not welcome back. Welcome to my new playthrough, and I couldn't finish. I couldn't finish. Yeah, I couldn't finish Liquid Crystal because of I got my new laptop and stuff. Yeah, so what is this? It looks like Fire Red, but when we get, sorry if this is a bit laggy, I can tell it is, but yeah, yeah, but what does this say? Such, oh, it's by, I hope you knew, oh, it's Driano 60, so yeah, I'll play Fire Red Omega instead. I hope it's good enough, cause I really like this. I've seen it on YouTube and it looks really good. Yeah, yeah. So, anyways, Oak starts off like he always does that. Yeah, like he always does, and tells about the Pokemon world and everything like that. So, yeah. Anyways, so let's just begin our adventure. No, not yet. We're just going to tell our name. I'll call my character. Whoops, wrong button. Sorry. This time I will call him Scarf, of course. Yeah. So if you want to play this hack, type in Fire Red Omega in YouTube, and no, I'll just post a link in the description, so you can get the game. But yeah. So his name is going to be Paul. Yeah, I have no idea why, but Paul. It's a funny name. I like to say it, Paul. Yeah. Anyways, let's get on going with our new adventure. I can't wait to get started with this playthrough, run through, walkthrough, playthrough thing, because it looks pretty awesome. So sorry if the video is a bit laggy. I hope it's not. I'm trying to just do it like I would normally do. So let's withdraw this potion and nothing. So I'll just super speed through this. And sorry if my voice is a little not loud thing, because my headset won't work. So I need to use the microphone that's in the computer, and it's very low. So just turn up the volume on your computer to max and just listen. So yeah, I can't do anything right now. So what should I call it? A playthrough or a run through? I'll call it a run through, I think. So yeah, Oak stops us and just stops us, and now we can get our first Pokemon. Yeah, pretty awesome. Yeah, and yeah, my new laptop just rules. It's a Dell Inspiron Mini. Um, Pretty awesome computer and everything. So yeah, yeah, I don't know what to. It's a blind, not a blind run. It's just a run through, a normal playthrough. So It's a full team playthrough. Just because I want to, because I'm too lazy to do anything else. Yeah. So go on, have one. Go on, choose. Yeah, I'll try if you could. Yeah, it's very laggy right now. Yeah. Paul, yeah, he's going to have one too, and oops, now Scarf. Come on, inside those Paul. Which one will you choose for yourself? What will I choose? Magby? Wait a minute. Smoochum or Elekid? It will be, yeah, I'll think of it until the next episode tomorrow. So yeah, see y'all then.